how to import a dataset into Jupyter Notebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import dataset either in CSV or XCLV format or anything inside the Jupyter Notebook. Hello, I'm Sina Shariati. I make people feel confident about the machine learning world. If you are beginner, you can understand the machine learning concepts in easy language. And if you are expert, you can refresh your knowledge here. Without further ado, let's jump in. Hello again. Here is the Jupyter Notebook environment. And you can see I put the name how to import a dataset into Jupyter Notebook. First, we need to import the library we need, and it's called pandas. So we're going to say import pandas as PD and shift and enter. Okay, there you go. And guys, if you don't have already installed the pandas in your local machine, you just need to use pip install pandas. For example, if you are using the Windows, you can go to the command line, and on the command line, you can write pip install pandas. So you're going to have all the pandas and the modules inside the pandas installed in your local machine. Or even you can install install the pandas and the whole module inside the Jupyter Notebook. Either way, it works. Then let's see, we're going to import the data set named Titanic. You know the Titanic. Everybody watched that amazing romantic movies, the Titanic. And I'm going to import that data set, and data set located in the file name. So first I need to find the location of that file. So let's see. Here, this is my data set, right? The data set located inside the file in CSV format, and it's called Titanic Train. And this is the whole location, this PC. So I just need to click on that, right click. Oh my God, sorry. Right click, Control C, and then get back to the environment, to the Jupyter Notebook again. I'm going to put it here. This is the folder, right? So I'm going to put it in the file location variable. We need to put inside the quotation mark because it's the string. And I'm going to add the same Titanic. What was let's see, to make sure, Titanic underscore train, CSV, Titanic underscore train, CSV. Okay, we are getting error. Let's see what's saying Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is saying, okay, something wrong with the, backforward slash. So we need to change the backforward slash into the forward slash. Let's see. I'm going to do the file location again, and this guy, and I'm going to, copy this guy, paste here, and I just need to replace the backward slash with the forward slash. Forward slash. Let's see. There you go. We're not getting any errors. So right now, we can use the function inside the pandas to import the dataset. The function we're going to use is called read_CSV. First, we need to call the library, which is pandas. As you remember, we name it PD. PD is the popular name for the pandas. Then I'm going to say read_CSV. And we need to open up the parentheses. So if you want to see what attributes we have inside the function, just use Shift Tab. So if you use Shift Tab, you can see here, I'm going to do this, and here you can see all the attributes we have inside this function. Wow. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to go through each of them, but if you have any questions, please post your question inside the comment section. I'm happy to answer them. And we usually use some of them, some of them so popular, some attributes like, the delimiter, or maybe the header. maybe the D type or the true values, maybe some null values. If we have null values is representative of the missing values. Or maybe if we have some column in a date format, so we need to treat them as a date, or some like encoding, coding, something like that. So we can use something. Anyway, if you have any question, please feel free to shoot your question inside the comment box. I'm happy to answer. Anyway, let's get back to our video. The main purpose of this video is to show you how to import a dataset into a Jupyter Notebook into 2 or 3 easiest steps. Okay, here I'm gonna say file location. So I'm giving the function. You can see here I'm feeding the function by file location. And let's see what's gonna happen. There you go. We have all the data set inside the Jupyter Notebook. So you can see the columns we have inside the data set, how many rows we have, 891 rows, 12 columns. So you can see passenger ID, survived, P class name, sex, age, seat, heart, ticket, fare, cabin, embarker. Some people treat this data set as supervised learning. For example, they use survived column as the response variable, and they try to build a classification model. Or somebody use as unsupervised learning, so they treat all of them as the features. So, but generally speaking, this is the way we usually import a data set into the Jupyter notebooks. And it marks we reach out the end of the video. So guys, if you like this video, please give it thumbs up. If you think it would be helpful for your friends, for anybody looking to learn machine learning concepts, share it. And if you like it, please subscribe it and give it thumbs up. And that bell icon, click on that. Thank you so much. Looking forward to see you again. Have a good one. Bye-bye.